In our last tip, we talked about the transmitter clip-on terminal, which is on all SeeSnake monitors made since 2009. The terminal lets you connect up a rigid line transmitter, so you can use a rigid receiver to trace the SeeSnake push cable. Essentially, you're performing a line trace on your SeeSnake cable, and in this tech tip, we'll show you how to set it up. Normally the cable would be inside a pipe, but we've laid it out on the ground to make it easier to see what's going on. To set up for a line trace on your SeeSnake cable, make sure your reel is connected to your monitor and make sure your monitor is turned on. Connect one of the transmitter's leads to the ground stake and connect the other lead to the terminal on the monitor. Turn the transmitter on and set it to one of the higher frequencies. 33 kilohertz usually works well, so we'll use that. Our SeeSnake camera has a transmitter beacon, or sonde, that's located inside the spring right behind the camera head. We'll turn that on as well, so we can locate it when we get close to the camera. We'll turn the receiver on.
Rigid.
What a voice. And we'll set the receiver to 33 kilohertz line trace mode. Now we'll acquire the signal, position ourselves over it, and follow its path. When the signal drops off, it means you've gone past the camera head. So at that point, you'd switch over to the sonde frequency and locate your sonde normally. So that's a quick look at how to trace your SeeSnake push cable. Now in the real world, when the camera is inside a pipe, especially a plastic pipe, you may not get a great signal. And what about situations where there's no place to set the ground stake? We have a couple more tips coming that cover these items, so stay tuned. In the meantime, if you want more information on these tools or how to use them, visit their product pages on rigid.com or stop by the SeeSnake support website.